Hello everyone. In this session, let's explore the future prospects and challenges in services marketing. So let's go back a little back in time and define what is services marketing first. Services marketing refers to the process of promoting, communicating, and delivering intangible services to customers to either meet their needs, address their challenges, or to create value for them. Unlike traditional product marketing, which focuses on tangible goods, services marketing deals with the marketing of intangible offerings such as healthcare, financial services, hospitality, transportation, education, or even professional services. So let's look at what is the future prospect for service marketing as a field. We can say there are multiple avenues or future prospect in the case of services marketing. The first one here is emerging trends and opportunities. As consumer behaviors evolve, service marketers are poised to capitalize on emerging trends like subscription based models and virtual experiences, unlocking new revenue streams and market opportunities. Second future prospect that we can see is with respect to shift toward personalization and customization. With advances in data analytics and AI, services marketer are or even can deliver tailored experiences that cater to individual preferences and behaviors, fostering deeper customer engagement and loyalty. Third, with respect to integration of technology like AI, IoT, AR, VR, and so on. Services marketing is embracing cutting edge technologies like AI, IoT, AR, VR to enhance service delivery, streamline the operations, and create immersive experiences that can captivate audiences and drive brand differentiation. Another shift or future prospect is with respect to rise of experience economy. In the experience driven marketplace, services marketers are shifting focus from transactional exchanges to memorable experiences that evoke emotions and create lasting impressions, positioning their brands as a leaders in the evolving experience economy. Then comes expansion of omni-channel strategies. With customers engaging across multiple channels, service marketers are expanding experiences across digital and physical touchpoints, optimizing customer journeys and also maximizing engagement at the same time. Another future prospect is with respect to globalization and cross border services. In an increasingly interconnected world, service marketers are seizing opportunities for global expansion, leveraging digital platforms and cross border collaborations to reach diverse audiences, localize offerings, and capitalize on the growing demand for cross border services. Let's understand few of these particular things or future prospects in detail. Let's look at shift towards personalization and customization. Personalization enhances customer satisfaction by tailoring services to individual preferences, fostering stronger connections and loyalty. Data analytics and AI empower service marketers to analyze customer data and behavior, enabling targeted messaging and personalized recommendations that resonate with each customer segment. Brands like Spotify and Netflix excel in personalized marketing, curating content and recommendations based on user preferences and behaviors, creating a highly engaging and relevant experience for their customers. Of course, this also has some challenges. For example, challenges in balancing personalization with privacy. Services marketers must navigate the delicate balance between personalization and privacy concerns, ensuring transparency, consent, and data protection to maintain trust and compliance with regulations like GDPR. With respect to integration of technologies like AI, IoT, and so on, they have already revolutionized services delivery by providing real time insights, enabling predictive maintenance, and creating immersive experiences that captivate customers and drive brand loyalty. From chatbots and virtual assistants for personalized support to IoT sensors for remote monitoring and AR VR for virtual product experiences, technology enhances service delivery, streamline the processes, and enrich customer interactions across various industries. Companies like Amazon and Starbucks leverage AI and IoT to deliver personalized recommendations and streamline their operations, enhancing customer experiences and driving revenue growth through seamless technology integration. Also, in this area, there are challenges. For example, challenges in implementing and adopting new technologies. Despite the benefits, organizations face challenges such as data privacy concerns, integration complexities, and skill gaps in implementing and adopting new technologies. This also highlights the importance of careful planning, training, and collaboration to overcome these barriers and realize the full potential of technology in services marketing. With respect to rise of experience economy, the shift from tangible products to immersive experiences as the primary value proposition, which is reshaping consumer preferences, driving demand for memorable, emotionally engaging encounters over material possessions. In the experience economy, brands differentiate themselves by creating memorable, emotionally resonant experiences that foster deep connections with customers, drive loyalty and advocacy, and opting for long term value creation as well. Coming to the next part of rise of experience economy, successful brands focus on immersive storytelling, sensory engagement, and personalized interactions to design and deliver experiential marketing campaigns that evoke emotions, inspire actions, and leave a lasting impression on customers. Companies like Disney, Apple, and Airbnb excel in the experience economy by delivering exceptional, differentiated experiences that delight their customers, foster brand loyalty, and at the same time drive sustainable growth in today's competitive marketplace. Coming to expansion of omni-channel strategies, omni-channel marketing integrates various channels including online, offline, and mobile to create seamless and cohesive customer experiences across multiple touchpoints that enhances engagement and drive conversions. By providing consistent messaging, personalized interactions, and convenient access to product and services across these channels, omni-channel marketing improves customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention while maximizing sales opportunities and revenue also. Successful implementation of omni-channel marketing requires data integration, customer segmentation, cross-channel communication, and synchronized messaging to deliver personalized experiences that meet customer needs and preferences at every stage of their journey. This also has some challenges, for example, challenges in consistency and integration across channels. Maintaining consistency in branding, messaging, and customer experiences across diverse channels pose challenges such as data silos, channel conflicts, technological limitations, and organizational alignment, requiring coordination, collaboration, and investment in infrastructure and resources to overcome these challenges. With respect to globalization and cross border services, globalization offers access to new markets and revenue streams, but also presents challenges such as cultural differences, regulatory complexities, and logistic hurdles that require careful planning and execution for successful expansion. Cultural sensitivity, specifically, and localization are essential for adapting products, services, and marketing strategies to local customs, preferences, and languages, fostering trust, relevance, and acceptance among diverse global audiences. To navigate regulatory and legal challenges in global markets, companies must conduct thorough research, engage local experts, and ensure compliance with laws, regulations, and industry standards governing that particular entity or country. Companies like Airbnb, Uber, and Netflix demonstrate successful global services marketing by tailoring their offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies to local markets while maintaining brand consistency and delivering value added experiences that resonate with international audiences. With that, now let's look at some challenges in services marketing. The first challenge here is data privacy and security concerns. Service marketers face challenges in safeguarding customer data and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations such as GDPR, requiring robust security measures, transparency, and trust building initiatives to protect customer privacy and maintain regulatory compliance. Second challenge here is managing customer expectations and satisfaction. Meeting and exceeding customer expectation in service delivery is a constant challenge, requiring a deep understanding of customer needs, effective communication, and proactive problem solving to ensure high levels of satisfaction and loyalty in competitive markets. Another challenge is balancing automation with human touch. While automation enhances efficiency and scalability in services delivery, striking the right balance between automation and human interaction is crucial for maintaining personalized, empathetic customer experiences that build trust and emotional connections with your customers. Another challenge that is there is measuring and demonstrating return on investment, that is ROI. Quantifying the return on investment of services marketing initiatives poses challenges due to the intangible nature of services, requiring marketers to develop metrics, analytics, and attribution models that capture the impact of marketing efforts on customer acquisition, retention, and lifetime value. Another challenge is with respect to competing in saturated markets. In saturated markets, service marketers face challenges in standing out from the competition, differentiating their offerings, and even capturing market share. This requires innovative strategies like unique value propositions and customer centric approaches to gain a competitive edge and drive sustainable growth. So, we have just covered or explored the future prospects and challenges in services marketing. In conclusion, the Strategic Services Marketing course has provided valuable insights into the dynamic and ever evolving landscape of services marketing. Throughout the course, we have explored key concepts, trends, and challenges shaping this particular industry, from the rise of personalization and technology integration to the importance of customer experience and global expansion. As we conclude this course, I encourage you to reflect on the knowledge and skills gained and consider how you can apply them to your professional endeavors. Whether you are a marketer, business leader, or entrepreneur, the principles and strategies covered in this course can help you navigate the complexities of the services marketing ecosystem and drive success in today's competitive marketplace. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continuously learning, adapting, and innovating is essential for staying ahead in the fast paced world of services marketing. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and I'm confident that you will leverage the insights gained from this course to achieve your goals and make it a meaningful impact in the world of services marketing. Thank you for your participation and best of luck on your journey ahead. Thank you.